कुत्ता तो चला गया, पटा रह गया है।
लगता है यहीं कहीं है। यार को मिल जाए कुत्ते। स्वीटी स्वीटी, किसका फोन आ गया? हेलो,
मेरा एक चप्पल चोरी हो गया है।
मेरा भी चप्पल चोरी हो गया।
मेरे को लगता है इसने ही चोरी किया है।
मुझे लगता है कि मैं क्यों चप्पल चोरी हूँ।
ठीक है, शांति शांति शांति, मिल जाएगा चप्पल। हेलो,
यही पे था, गॉडफादर का पोस्टर था, गॉडफादर का।
अरे तो गॉड फादर ही तो है ये। तू ये कुंफू पांडा देख, तब तक तेरे गॉड फादर को हम ढूंढ लेंगे। हेलो
Hello, detective. You have been chosen to lead a high-profile case. Your mission, if you choose to accept, will be
तू तेरा गॉड फादर हम ढूंढ लेंगे, मैं चला केस सोल्व करने।
ये लो, तुम लोग अभी ढूंढो।
चल मैं तो चला रियल केस लड़ने।
You know you have been called for a reason, and you have worked together. You three will help find Arjis Ferrari.
What? With these idiots? Not gonna happen.
सर जी, I know work. He and she here, I go. I hear he she go.
Yeah, like who wants to work with dumb chauvinist morons?
Silence. Sir wants all three of you to work together on this case. We know you worked together once. If anyone has any other thoughts, he may have them and leave.
सर जी, चाय चाहिए?
Yes. A half cup of tea, 4 marshmallows, no milk, and a blend of chamomile and lemon.
सर के लिए स्पेशल कटिंग। मैडम जी,
मेरे लिए छाछ।
Okay, fine. So please describe the car. Was it white like the one in Wolf of Wall Street?
और was it red जैसे फरारी की सवारी?
White.
It was a great time watching Wolf of Wall Street. I love that
Or
bar.
we can check his Facebook account and see his totally fab photos.
मैडम जी, इन्वेस्टिगेशन है, कोई पार्टी नहीं। चलिए हम वो वुल्फ ऑफ वॉल स्ट्रीट देखते हैं।
Just sit down. I have the paperwork of the car.
Oh my God! Amitabh Bachchan just tweeted about his granddaughter. Love my granddaughter Aradhya.
अरे तो कौन सा दादाजी अपनी पोती से नफरत करते हैं?
Well, tell RG to fire the rest. As you can see, only I have the interest and potential for solving that case.
Why you call a girl? Girls are stupid. No bheja. Good in kitchen only.
You backward village bastard! Just shut your mouth and get your ass off this case.
Stop quarreling. I have to think of a way of finding that car.
क्या कर रहे हो?
As if you will understand. We are thinking of a way to find that car.
आप आरजी को ही क्यों नहीं पूछते?
Do we look like a fools to you?
Yeah, you are not in capacity to analyze from each angle.
By the way, it's a good idea. See, what will you do without me? Hello, sir. I had just made a breakthrough in this case. So can you please tell us, where did you last see the car?
I parked it in my garage. I don't know which one. Just check it with my PA.
Oh, so sir, how much loss are you facing?
If you give me my car or the insurance, none, or else the world's population will decrease by 3.
Something is fishy here. I'll go to the RG's house. You guys, okay. So tell me what really happened.
Sir, I was doing my regular duty, but all of a sudden, I had to go to the washroom.
How could you go to the washroom even when your sir's Ferrari was stolen?
Sir, it was not more than 2 minutes, but when I came out, I could see my sir's Ferrari coming out.
What are you doing here, Nitwit?
Did you get a good look at the man's face?
Madam, I'm a watchman. I keep an eye on each and everybody's move.
Oh, great. You too. What can possibly be worse?
I have this new app called CSA Cop Sketch Artist. It's totally awesome. Describe him to me.
Sir, madam, he was actually very tall, a bit fat, and short too.
Tall or short?
Short. In fact, he was bald too. In fact, his head was shining in the moonlight.
Skin tone?
Blue. Blue matlab British. British, and he had a Chinese origin.
Chinese?
Again, I'm telling you guys, just back off. I have a really large network of knowledge from New York's Dhobi Wala to London's Laundry Wala.
Yeah, he's correct. And in fact, he was very strange. He had a strange mustache and beard, and you know, he also had a scar in the eye.
Which eye?
Left. Right, actually. In fact, wait a minute. My right or your right?
Look at it
Oh yeah, perfect. 100%. In fact, he is actually so terrifying. as if he's standing right in front of us.
Are you sure this is the guy? Because
हाँ जी, 100% पक्का है जी.
This guy stole the car.
हाँ जी, absolutely.
did he come on a pirate ship?
Oh yes. Oh no. Who is he?
This is Sao Fan, pirate lord from Singapore. Now tell the truth. What were you doing?
Oh my God! You were on Twitter.
What?
I see your posts. Chilling in my cabin, selfie in my cabin, missing my girlfriend. I love you, girlfriend.
अरे मैडम, don't tell my wife please. मेरे छोटे छोटे बच्चे मैडम.
Hey, look. There is a Ferrari in his selfie.
Oh my God! इसका मतलब समझे रॉय?
Hey, me boss. I am the boss, okay?
इसका मतलब गाड़ी गैराज में आई थी.
Why are you talking in Hindi? I am a VIP. I talk in English. I walk in English. English.
अरे सर जी, प्लीज सर जी घर पे नहीं है. ओके?
कौन गराज?
नो आई कांट.
वो देख कबूतर. Just remember the lines and act casual.
So your faces tell me that you haven't found the car yet. Am I right?
We found it, sir, near your house itself.
Sir, someone drive your car away. Chris, accident. I even had photo.
So we found your car like this. We thought you want the insurance money, so we crashed it in a junkyard.
What?
Yes, sir. But unfortunately, there was a problem. We told the insurance about it, and now they're refusing to pay you.
You dumb morons. What did you do? I always had the car with myself. You have incurred me a big loss, you idiots.
You got him on tape?
Yes, I did.
You didn't lose your car, but now you're going to lose your freedom.
You sick bastards. You're gonna pay for this. I'm gonna kill each one of you. Come here. Take these dumb morons into the room below and tie them up.
What should we do? RG is behind the insurance money. We all are tied up in this depressed room. There is no hope.
Let's play hide and seek.
हाइड एंड सीक? किधर? कहाँ? बहुत भूख लगी है. सुबह से कुछ नहीं खाया. सिर्फ एक गिलास दूध पी के आया हूँ.
हाँ यार, मैं भी सुबह से कुछ नहीं खाया और इस बारिश में कांदा भजिया खाने का बहुत मन कर रहा है.
बस याद मत दिला उस कांदा भजिया की. और रामू काका के गर्मा गर्म चाय और कांदा भजिया. वाह, क्या फर्स्ट क्लास चीज बनाता बंदा.
Stop it, you guys, and focus on English. We have to maintain a standard while talking.
यस सर.
Roger that, sir.
Even though we have enough evidence against RG, we can't do anything, as we are locked up
In this cell or room, or whatever you can call it.
I think he's going to kill us with an empty stomach.
Do you have the tape?
Yeah, I have it in the right pocket of my jacket.
So what do now? I hungry, not feeling proper. दिन ढल जाए हाय, रात न जाए, तू तो न आए, तेरी याद सता.
Why the hell are you singing, man? I would rather be happy if RG will kill me with the dagger than you singing.
ओके, हम साथ बैठ जाते हैं.
Kumar, what the hell are you doing? How did you manage to get loose?
What? Did he defy the law of being a prisoner? Excellent.
क्या? कौन सा कानून?
Just get out and let us out too.
For the first time in history of India, a rich man has become equal in front of law, and RG had to go to prison for 1 year. The 3 detectives have handsomely been rewarded, and an insurance company has appointed them as their insurance agents. And now, to our main story of how a cat drank milk from a bottle.
Hello?
High profile case. Your mission, if you choose to accept, will be